Welcome to the dynamic world of MES, a software system that controls the process of manufacturing goods, providing benefits like quality, productivity, and agility. Now let's explore the global MES market, a sector that's reshaping the manufacturing landscape. In 2024, the global MES market is estimated to be valued at a staggering $14.9 billion, with an impressive forecasted growth at a CAGR of 9.2% by 2029. Also geographically, North America holds the largest market share, expected to claim a dominant 33% share by 2035. Shifting to the Asia-Pacific region, especially China and India, this region is forecasted to become the second-largest MES market. The key driving factors for the growth of MES markets include modernization of processes and process equipment across various industries, new launches and new manufacturing ventures, MES becoming more popular amongst large-scale industries like food and beverage, cost reductions and advancements in IoT devices, sensors, and other hardware, manufacturing initiatives for continuous improvement and innovation, and lastly, government initiatives. The global MES size is segmented on the basis of application, end user, and region, with a focus on manufacturers in different regions. This shows that from the giant industries to the small industries, MES is becoming an inclusive tool, offering cost-effective solutions for all. It's not just a system. It's a revolution, making smart manufacturing accessible to everyone. It's a vision for the future, a future that's resilient, innovative, and full of great potential.